Welcome to the Sam and Joe VA Show, where we teach women just like you how to start and scale a thriving virtual assistant business.
We're your hosts, Sam and Joe, and get ready to have the control, flexibility, and freedom you've always dreamed of.
Welcome to episode 97. 4 ways to attract premium clients.
Premium clients. We're talking about wealthy clients. We're talking about rich clients. We're talking about clients that have got money to spend.
Your money's not the object, right? They have really successful businesses. They just need some help with saving time and doing a really great job in their business and helping them be even more successful.
Yeah, you've hit the nail on the head there. Money's not the object. It's time for these people. So how do you attract them? How do you go from hanging out in the economy lounge with all the plebs to first class lounge?
Is there a separate lounge for first class?
I reckon there is.
You reckon? Maybe.
Surely.
Where do the celebrities hang out, right?
Well, that's next level. I think they have their own. Yeah, let's levy you up at the airport by getting
first class
clients.
The first thing is to have standout branding. This is not a do-it-yourself job, DIY, just throw up anything. This is that you have incredible branding that is really, really stand out.
Yeah. I'm gonna say something that's gonna throw every single No, probably not.
Controversy?
It's not. Gosh, everyone's gonna be disappointed with my point now. Thanks, Joe. I was just going to be very general and lump all wealthy people together and say that they care about looks and they care about class.
Very controversial.
Is that controversial?
Yes.
No, well, it probably is because there are hippie millionaires out there. I know that. There are millionaires that walk around in Birkenstocks and whatnot.
I saw this great thing. I saw this awesome post where it said, this is someone who wants to look wealthy. And they had all of these label things and the latest everything.
Yeah.
And then, no, there was this is how you dress like a millionaire. And then this is how you dress like a billionaire. And do you notice that they wear a $5 t-shirt in black? They just have $30 jeans, whatever kind of shoes, no labels. And that is it.
Are you talking about Zuckerberg?
Yeah, and the Apple guy, you know, Steve Jobs dressed like that. The billionaires do not dress like they are wealthy because they don't need to.
They don't need to. They've got nothing to prove. But I'm going to put it out there and suggest that billionaires aren't going to be looking for virtual assistants.
No.
Yeah.
That was just a side note.
So the millionaires that do like a bit of standout branding that's been done professionally?
Absolutely.
In general?
Absolutely. Yeah. They are looking for someone who has really spent money and time and put effort into their branding. And if you do that, what it shows them is that you really care about your brand, your position, about who you're attracting. And you're going to bring those kind of values and thoughts and ideas over to their business when you are doing work for them, and you're really going to care and do a good, high quality job. Yes.
Standout branding, an absolute must. No more DIYing it. Yeah. Next up would be a slick as sales process, because you want to impress them. They are used to being welcomed with open arms with a red carpet.
And knowing exactly what to do when. You know, there's no wishy-washiness with how they need to contact you. It's super clear. Here's the button, book a discovery call. They click the button, they're into your calendar, done, it's booked.
They're going to be looking for efficiency in this process, aren't they?
Absolutely.
That once
Not
again
what they
comes
time
back
with.
down to time, which is what they need. They don't need the money, they need the time. So you need to show them how efficient you are.
They'll be interviewing you at every moment. Like the moment that they try and like, I want to contact this person, how easy is that? What happens then when I have booked it? Do I get something in my calendar? Do I have all the information there? Like all of this process, getting on the call, you're on time, like you're there, you're ready, you're taking them through the process. You know exactly what questions to ask. Super slick, super efficient process all the way through.
And prompt. They're going to expect prompt responses from that very first email or phone call as well. None of this calling back the next day or the next week. Oh my God, no. Time. Time is money for these premium clients.
Yes. That little tip there is so key. Let's repeat that, Sam.
What did I say? I've forgotten.
No, I'll repeat it for you. It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
If you get a lead and you're like positioning yourself to get premium clients and you get a lead come in or an inquiry in some way, somehow, call them immediately as soon as you possibly can, because trust me, they are going to be out there looking at other virtual assistants as well, and they are going to be looking for responsiveness.
They're not going to call you back a second time. They're not going to call you back a second time.
No.
There is no second chances with this level of client. One chance. That's it.
Yeah.
All right. You've signed them up. Have you signed them up? No, you haven't signed them up. Forget I said that. Next on our list, premium services and prices. Premium clients are looking for premium services and premium prices. Once again, they can afford premium prices. That's not an issue.
Yeah. Money is not the thing. They want someone that can deliver some really awesome services. The services that are going to be huge time savers. So this is like no casual options. This is like agreeing to service plans where they are committing to you a minimum number of not necessarily hours. Like it feels like even next level is to have no hours. This is what I will deliver. This is the outcome for you. This is the service. And it costs this much, which is a premium price.
Yeah.
Right.
So anything else that's currently, if we go back to kind of your branding or your online presence that you need to have stand out, if you've got mention of your prices and your services, get rid of all those low value tasks, get rid of all of those hourly rates that you're putting out there. They don't want to see it. That's just going to distract them from what they're looking for.
Yeah. A few clear key packages, premium types of services in there, the high level stuff, the big time saving stuff.
Yeah. All right. And the last one, our fourth way to attract premium clients is having direct messaging.
This has to convey that huge time savings that you will be able to deliver to them. So make that super clear and specific and really direct, because they don't have time to read all your waffle. They just want to know what is in it for them. What can they get? How much time can they save from hiring you as a virtual assistant?
Yeah, they're not going to want to scroll through endless pages for minutes on end. Once again, time is the issue for this type of client. They want to know immediately the moment they hit your website, because they're going to expect you to have a website, this level of client. They want to know immediately that they're in the right place and that you are going to be able to help them.
So those big paragraphs of text, no. You need to break that all up. You need to have clear headings with the main key points. They need to be able to scan through and get the main messages from you and be like, yep, I'm going to hire this person. Or at least call them. Book a call, book a discovery call. Yeah.
That's it. Our 4 ways to attract premium clients. I guess we could add a fifth there. Hang out in the first class lounge at the airport. Are they open? All the airports open though.
Yes, when everything opens up properly, yeah, book that first class ticket, get in that first class lounge.
Start networking, schmoozing. They don't network, they schmooze.
Yeah. All right, so let's go through those 4 ways. So standout branding, slick sales process, premium services and pricing, and very direct messaging. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Sam and Joe VA Show. If you'd like to find out more, head to the VA Foundry website to check out the Members Club and the amazing resources, training, and coaching.
You can find us at thevafoundry.com.